Hi everyone, Forex Coach Jonathan Lu here at ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay part-time trading sa Forex. So, summary lang to nung ating previous session no, regarding dun sa part-time trading no, in FX. Kung kailangan nyo yung buong link no, sa ating session, nandun naman po sa baba, nasa description lang natin. Anyway, summarize lang natin, posible ba ang part-time trading sa Forex at paano ba natin gagawin to ng tama? So una, gusto muna natin i-define kung ano ba talaga ang part-time trading. Ang part-time trading, kailangan po meron tayong certain na allotted time para sa market, no? Hindi po pwede na tipong kung kailan lang natin gusto mag-trade at umupo, doon tayo magti-trade, no? Hindi pwede 'yon. Ang kailangan po consistent yung oras na ibinibigay natin sa market. Kahit konti lang basta consistent, pwede na 'yon, no? Yun na yung definition natin ng part-time trading. Kumbaga, sabihin natin na meron lang akong oras kada umaga, no? Pagkagising sa umaga, meron akong siguro mga isang oras or less than an hour to look at the charts, to analyze. Gawin mo lang consistently yun, no? So, pwede ng part-time trading yun. Or for example, bukas lang, kumbaga pwede lang ako magbukas ng charts during London Open, which is around 3 to 5 p.m., no? European Open in the afternoon. May certain oras ka lang, no? Or, kanwari, US Open ka lang pwede mag-trade. So, you have to give a certain consistency sa oras mo sa market. Kasi yun yung importante, consistency po. Ngayon, pwede po itong position trading, pwede po itong swing trading, or pwede ring intraday trading. No? Ang position trading, yan yung mga pang long-term trading, pang matagalan po. Normally, yung mga positions mo would last for a couple of days, weeks, no? Minsan, umabot pa yan, lagpas ng isang buwan, 2 buwan. Normally, you would be trading on the D1 charts already. Tapos naman po, kapag nagtitrade naman tayo ng swing trading, ito naman, medium-term trading, normally you would be trading around H1, H4, and your trades would last for a couple of days or a couple of weeks. And then lastly, meron din tayong intraday trading na ito naman ay within the day lang tayo nagtitrade, no? At the end of the day, sarado lahat ng trades natin. So the trades normally last for a couple of hours or so. So yan ang position, swing, and intraday trading. Ngayon, kung part-time trading tayo, kahit ano naman dyan sa tatlo, okay lang, walang problema. Pero kung konti lang talaga ang oras na ibibigay nyo sa market, hindi kayo consistently na araw-araw makakapag-trade, then naturally, mas maganda kung aakyat tayo ng time frame. For example, dito ka sa swing trading or dito ka sa position trading. Kasi po, kapag bumababa tayo sa intraday trading, marami na tayong factors na kino-consider kasi marami ng noise yan sa kada araw, marami ng galaw yan, maraming mga balita. So, kailangan natin tignan yung mga ganong klaseng movements para malaman natin kung nasan tayo sa market. Sigurado maraming nagtatanong, no? Coach, hindi ba pwede yung tipong kung kailan lang ako libre, upo ko tapos magti-trade, no? Tapos kung ano makuha ko doon, yun na yung kita ko. Well, hindi namin nire-recommend yun kasi kailangan po, if you want consistent results, you have to give also consistency in the market. Kailangan kayo mismo consistent. Hindi po pwede kung kailan lang kayo upo, saka lang kayo magti-trade. Kasi kung ganun, may mga ilan tayong factors na kailangan tingnan. Number one, kada upo natin, hindi laging Pasko. Hindi kayo laging makakita ng trade opportunity kada upo natin. No? Most of the time, wala. Inaabangan nyo yan. No? Number two, kailangan malaman natin kung nasaan tayo sa market ngayon. Kasi titingnan mo kung ano yung mga macroeconomic factors, no? Kung long-term trading, kung medyo nasa short-term trading ka naman, tinitingnan mo yung current news, current events, risk on, risk off sa market. So, hindi lang naman kung ano yung makita natin sa chart, saka lang natin siya i-trade, no? Wala nang ibang additional factors. Kailangan alam natin kung ano yung current sentiment din ng ating market. At kung bigla na lang tayo upo without knowing those factors, yung chances natin of getting good trades, most likely hindi masyadong maganda. Pangalawang tanong, no? Now that we have done, kumbaga ano yung definition ng part-time trading, ngayon naman po, ano yung kailangan nating gawin, no? Para makapag-part-time trade tayo ng maayos. So number one, kailangan i-define nyo po muna how much time you can give doon sa market, no? Ano ba yung oras na libre kayo, na komportable kayo, at makakapag-analyze kayo at makakapag-trade kayo ng market. Tapos, number two, decide kayo kung anong klaseng trader ba ang gusto nyo i-pursue. Position trading, swing trading, or intraday trading. Tapos number 3, kailangan meron din tayong consistent strategy sa market. So, yung strategies naman natin, i-discuss natin yan dito sa YouTube channel natin. Meron din tayo sa ating website, no, for premium members. Tapos meron din po tayong Zero to Hero course dito sa PAFTI. Libre lang din sumali doon. So, marami tayong mga strategies na in-implement. Plus, sa ating live trading room, kitang-kita naman yung mga plano natin doon, no? So, pwede kayo sumabay doon. So, yun yung mga kailangan nating gawin. Siyempre, kailangan maganda din yung risk management natin at saka trading psychology with that. Number 3, magkano namang kapital ang kailangan ko para makapag part-time trade? Sa totoo lang, ang suggestion ko muna bago kayo sumabak, i-demo nyo muna yung strategy nyo para medyo komportable kayo. No? I-demo nyo muna yung mga oras na libre kayo. Libre lang naman ang demo account. No? You can download as many as account, you can open as many accounts as you like. Wala namang problema yon. No? Now, if you wanna go live already, kung ang capital nyo lang siguro nasa mga $100, $200, ang suggestion ko, micro account ang buksan nyo. Kasi kahit position trading ang gawin nyo, kayang-kaya, no? You can minimize your lot sizes. Siyempre, yung returns, hindi rin ganun kalaki, pero hindi rin malaki yung risk sa ating account. Now, if you have maybe $500 or more na ilalagay, then okay na yan, pwede na kayo mag-standard account. Magkano ba ang ine-expect ko na kitaan dito sa Forex trading, no? Na part-time. Siyempre, yan yung gusto ng lahat ng tao. Ang kailangan po nating basihan doon is percent return sa ating capital. So, hindi po ibig sabihin na kanwari, meron kang $100, $200, magiging milyonaryo ka na sa market. Hindi po. Kailangan practical tayo. Think of relevant returns, no, relative to your account size. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang account nyo $100, $200, expect around 2 to 5% return a month. Okay na yun, sa totoo lang, no? If you make 2 to 5% per month, ang ganda na ng trading nyo nun. Because that will give you very low risk, no? And at the same time, steady growth. Yun ang gusto natin sana na ini-aim. Siyempre, kung $100, expect siguro mga 2 to 5%. Maliit lang talaga yun. And don't worry, no? Ang importante naman po kasi is consistency sa market. Once that you're able to make consistent returns, lalaki at lalaki din naman yung account nyo eh. In a couple months time, in a couple of years time, lalaki din yan, no? Enough to already support your lifestyle, no, as a full-time trader kung gusto nyo. So, ang tandaan yung consistency ang importante, no? But the returns, don't expect to be millionaires with $100, okay? 2 to 5% is an excellent target already. Dito sa PAFTI, and I'm sure a lot of traders out there, no, may mga times na more than that, no? We hit 10%, no, 15, 20% a month. Pero syempre, hindi laging Pasko, no, kapag ganon, no. May mga times din naman na negative tayo. But on average, we want to hit around 2 to 5%. Mas profitable po ba ang full-time trading kaysa sa part-time trading? No, this is a usual misconception sa market. Sa totoo lang, if you have the same targets, let's say you're targeting 2 to 5% a month, both full-time and part-time trading, pareho lang din yung magiging yung returns, no? Ang mga differences lang naman is that if you're a full-time trader, you would have more opportunities in the market kasi nakabantay ka eh, no? Mas alam mo kung nasa ka sa market because you're constantly analyzing what's happening in the economy, no? Ano nangyari sa sentiment ng mga traders, and then aware ka din dun sa mga technical setups, and because of that, you have a lot of opportunities, no? Yun lang naman yung advantage mo compared to part-time traders, okay? Now, with full-time traders, it is also easier to build your strategy and test it and improve it in the future because you have a lot of trading opportunities. Kasi ang trading naman, you have a strategy and then you improve it over time, no? So, kunwari, nakikita mo hindi masyadong gumagana yung strategy natin ngayon, okay lang, no? At least alam mo hindi siya gumagana and you can do something about it. You can add some indicators or some additional analysis. You can remove some stuff that you think aren't really helping, and then you test it again, no? Until you consistent results, no? Yun yung importante, no, doon sa building naman ng trading strategy natin. So, profitability wise, it's relatively the same. Mas marami ka lang opportunity sa full-time trading, no? Next question naman, ano naman ang aabangan natin sa market, no? Well, if you're doing intraday analysis, kailangan medyo news-based yung tingin natin. Ano yung mga current events? Kasi yun talaga yung makaka-contribute sa galaw ng market. But if you're doing swing trading or position trading, medyo nandun na tayo sa macro level. So, you have to be looking at macroeconomic data already, like inflation, GDP, interest rates. So, yun yung mga dapat na natin tinitingnan kung nasa medyo matataas na posisyon na tayo. And if you want to make trading a little bit simpler, I suggest you go to the higher time frames kasi mas konti yung mga kinoconsider mo factors compared to intraday trading. Mas exhausting ang intraday trading. What are my options now? No? So remember, you have three types of trading: position, swing, and then intraday trading. So just a couple of ideas, no? Kung position trading ang tinitingnan nyo, most likely you'll be looking at the D1 charts. Diyan ka nag-analyze ng levels mo. You're looking at macroeconomic data, how would that contribute to price movement. And then siguro ang tinitingnan mo diyan is every morning lang siguro, no? Kasi yun lang naman ang galaw ng D1 charts, eh. Every morning lang naman yan natatapos, and you don't have to look at it every day. Kung malayo pa yun dun sa mga price levels na gusto mo, you don't need to look at it every day. Siguro mga once a week, twice a week, pag nakita mo medyo lumalapit na siya dun sa area kung saan mo gusto mag-buy or mag-sell, saka ka lang medyo tumututok na araw-araw, no? So that's position trading. If you wanna do swing trading, then yung analysis mo would still be on the D1 charts. Nandun pa rin yung trade levels mo. Pero yung entries natin, bababa na tayo. We normally go to the H4 charts already. Okay? H1 charts pwede din, pero medyo nakabantay ka na ng konti sa market nun kasi hourly na yung galaw. Eh. But H4 charts, hindi pa masyado. No? You look at it maybe 3-4 times a day. Hindi siya ganun ka hassle, especially if you're working or if you're very busy. Okay? So, yun po yung part-time trading, no? So remember, you have to give consistency sa market. Kailangan consistent din yung bigay mo ng oras sa market. Consistent din yung analysis mo at saka yung strategies mo sa market for you to be able to have consistent returns. Huwag niyong aasahan na kung kailan lang kayo uupo tapos saka magti-trade, dun kikita ka na kaagad with that, no? You won't have an opportunity every time you sit down. Actually, rarely na nangyayari yun, right? So, if you need more guidance on that, we always have our additional videos here on YouTube. Marami tayong nilalabas na mga strategies and tips on how to trade the market better. Definitely, meron din tayo nung live trading room. We do it twice a day from Tuesdays all the way to Friday. So pwede nyo salinan doon si Coach Alex Samson and Coach Alex Manabat. Ang dami nilang mga trade setups na dinidiscuss, no? Kung meron, we normally take the trades, no? And kung pangit yung market, then we tend to analyze kung ano yung mga pwedeng opportunities in the future. Alright? And we also have our Zero to Hero courses here in PAFTI. Make sure you join us so that you have a very good framework na or template strategy na pwede nyong gamitin sa market. And then, you can make it better, you can make it your own in the future. Alright, anyway, thank you everyone, and sana nakatulong po yung video na to. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye guys, and happy pipping! If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, like, and follow for more updates. See you guys, and happy pipping!